Autumn 2023, 138th Kanagawa Branch Dog Show on October 1st, in the 5th year of Reiwa era. During this event, we did not enter our dogs for dog show but went there for the purpose of learning and observing future the dog shows. The Kanagawa Branch Dog Show featured a total of 84 Japanese dogs. Here's a breakdown by age and size. Yachi Ken, small male, 1, female, 1, total, 2 Yo Ken, small male, 3, female, 6, total, 9 Waka 1, small male, 5, female, 13, medium male, 1, female, 2, total, 21 Waka 2, small male, 5, female, 8, total, 13 So Ken, small male, 6, female, 7, total, 13 Sai Ken, small male, 10, female, 14, medium male, 1, female, 1, total, 26. Our participation in this event not only allowed us to study proper dog handling but also provided an opportunity to relearn what Japanese dogs truly represent. Dog shows held by the Nihonkan Hazenkai do not select dogs that are good only for their looks. At the top of the Japanese dog standard, there is a passage that says,
本質とその表現、官位に富み、良性にして、素朴の感あり、感覚鋭敏、動作俊敏にして、歩容軽快弾力あり。
What truly matters is not just appearances but the essence within. According to the Nippo publication All About Japanese Dogs, this passage is explained as
本質とは、日本犬本来の性質資質のことであり、その表現とは、夕方無方代謝にその本質を監督せしむる書のものである。官位に富みすなわち威厳あって、キリッとしていることは日本犬の最も重要な本質であるが、しかも良性すなわち忠実従順であって凶暴ならず、素朴の感がなくてはならない。すなわち華々しいけばけばしい犬ではなく、素朴な、地味な中に品位のある君でも尽きぬ味のあるものではなくてはならぬ。感覚鋭敏、すなわち過敏ならぬ、落ち着いた中に鋭敏な感覚を持ち、果断にして警戒心あり、動作敏捷、目するときは静かなること林のごときも、一度動くや電光石火のごとくの、例えのごとく動作敏捷であって、歩容軽快。不体は重々しくなく早足か毛足どもに軽快で弾力がなくてはならない。以上は日本犬の最も重要な本質とその表現である。
It is a very difficult sentence. On the Nihonkan Hazenkai's website, it is stated, Kanai is spirit and dignity. Ryosei means faithfulness and obedience. Saboku means unadorned, sober elegance and demeanor. The fundamental characteristics that Japanese dogs are born with are expressed in these words. This is how the explanation was written, but even this is still difficult to understand. It was a day when I once again learned how deep and profound the world of Japanese dogs is. There is still much to discover about the ideal image of Japanese dogs, so we will continue to pursue it.